You're not going to believe what I caught on camera today. Right in the middle of lunch, a paper wasp showed up and went straight for the chicken. Watch closely. He's not just hovering or investigating. No, this little thief means business. Look at how it slices through the meat with its mandibles. Fast, clean, like a tiny butcher. I thought it was just here to buzz around, but nope, it had a plan. Bit by bit, it carves off a chunk, gripping it tightly. You can actually see the effort it takes to lift it. And then, just like that, it takes off, chicken in tow. Honestly, that was one determined wasp. So next time you're having lunch outside, guard your plate, or a wasp might just steal your meal too.